Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious brownie cookies. These treats combine the rich, fudgy texture of a brownie with the convenient, chewy bite of a cookie. We'll cover everything from essential ingredients to baking tips, ensuring you create perfect brownie cookies every time. Get ready to enjoy a delightful chocolate experience that's easier to make than you might think. Let's dive into the steps to create these irresistible desserts. To start, you'll need some key ingredients. Grab about 4 ounces of bittersweet chocolate and 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. For sweetness, have 1/2 cup each of granulated sugar and light brown sugar ready. You'll also need 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour. Don't forget 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and a small amount of salt to balance the flavors. Basic mixing bowls, a whisk, and a baking sheet are also essential tools. The process begins by gently melting your chocolate and butter together, then setting it aside to cool. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs and sugars for about 4 to 5 minutes until the mixture is light and frothy. This is key for that crinkly top. Next, incorporate the cooled chocolate mixture into the egg mixture, followed by the dry ingredients. Once combined, chill the dough for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for preventing flat cookies. Finally, scoop the dough onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. For perfect brownie cookies, remember a few key tips. First, avoid overmixing the dry ingredients once they're added. This keeps your cookies tender. Chilling the dough for 20 to 30 minutes is essential to prevent them from spreading too much in the oven. Bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, just until the edges are set but the centers still look soft. Finally, let them cool completely on the baking sheet. This allows them to firm up and achieve that ideal fudgy texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.